right. Are we live? Are we live? Looks like a yes. Cool. Awesome. All right, great. So today we're just working on more chess bugs, following up on the last few days. Wasn't on yesterday, but last few streams. Some of the things we've been working on were mostly like automation related. I've also worked on a lot of code that is right here in this diff that has to do with setting up like, local player games, which has some interesting requirements. What am I looking for? Web Islands lobby. But I want to put that away because I discovered an actual bug, like a reproducible sort of game issue. Now, the reason I wanted the local game stuff was that I could test if this was a networking issue or not. So actually, now that I'm thinking about it, it might be kind of maybe we should just check whether that's working. I had made a final few fixes. So if it is just, working, then I kind of don't have to worry about any of this stuff, right? So I may as well try. Well, not I don't have to worry about any arbitrary stuff. I just mean be easier to move on to the next stage. Let's still at least build the commit, and we can amend to it if we want. A lot of wires on my keyboard I'm not used to yet. Add local game mode to web build. All right. Now we start. Yeah, there we go. So now we're connected to the server. We don't want to be connected to the server. So when I press this play local button, it should unbind us from the server. Oh, but you know what? The order of operations might be what's going on here. So notice I click this button and we don't really, I guess I should check if we, I should write some logs. That's the first thing. We want not this, not this, not this, not this. We want this bad boy. So request local game. Yeah, this is going to disconnect, right? So now after this is done, and then self.request game sends an event. Let's do it. Let's do a console log. You know what? Let's just check. Let's just check that this, where is it? This event. Where's the system that? It's this handle game requests. I want this system, which as I understand it, yeah, we only run if we're in like the authority situation, which is basically if we're the server or if we're a client who has disconnected, right? Which means this should run. This should run after. Should run every frame after we hit the button. So, I can't really call console logs directly from here, can I? That's a small pain. It's been kind of annoying that I don't think these bevy logs go to WebAssembly. Where does it say? Oh, yeah, so it should. So maybe I should just try. Oh, it might be that log isn't enabled in the web build. Let me actually check that. If that's the case, then that's just my mistake for a while now. Yeah. Let me do this. And the reason why is I don't want it to be, I want it to be opt-in. I want it to be opt-in. Okay, let's put logs here. I think that's what we want. Starting local game. There shouldn't be client self. Let's just do it anyway. We spawn the game. So that should be correct. With that in mind, don't need to restart the server. Do this, and then we'll say features. It would be like this, right? Because cargo make run web. Oh, run web is Dino. Oops. I guess it's the WASM bundle. So it's just run web. Yeah, that's a good point. It's just the WASM bundle. So then for this, features. Features log. There we go. Ta-da. Okay. So we disconnected, but then we didn't get. Did I not save it? So while this is going, let me get a tissue. I'll be right back. All right, let's see what we got here. Ta-da. Okay, well, I guess I don't know that the features is working. Why don't I try and run it directly? Surely it has a features flag, right? No. Oh, so this is an active problem. Oh, okay, that stinks. All right, well, in that case, we will simply be. Let's do it this way. In fact, where did that go? Taking this. Wait, this is an IntelliJ problem? This has nothing. Features. I thought I could search this site. I forgot I can remove this soon. That's exciting. Once I upgrade bevy. Passing features, question mark. Features equals log. Oh. To do remove feature. Does this end comments? No. Yeah, that makes sense. Let me actually do it here. All right. Nope, not like that. Like that. Why not? We'll rebuild this too. Sounds fun, huh? Oh, I didn't start the music. Let's start the music. Actually, let's double check audio levels. Testing, testing. Slightly loud, if anything, but I guess I wasn't also at the center of the mic. Good enough. Go. Rah. Already did that. Just kidding. We're literally gonna do this. I want to make sure that the logs are even coming out. Hello? Hello? Come on. Really? Oh, am I not adding it, maybe? I might not even be adding this into this bundle. Yeah, I'm total. Oh, I am. What? There's just panic here. Honestly. One way to work it. So it'll panic, and then we'll at least know that we see the event. Which we should, because it should be... Oh, wait, actually. What plugin manages... Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, alright. I'm... generally, but the point is there isn't anything like it doesn't look like it's treating servers separately, so that's the point. Yeah, so we got there. Be nice to have some like proper debug tooling for the web, but this is quite a jank glue layer. Well, it's not jank, but it's definitely a glue layer that I've added, right? So we get here spawn the board and all of that. Why is that different than the way this thing does? Maybe these things don't get registered or something like that. So let's see. The players don't have teams. They do have in-game added. I don't need this. Why? That might help. Unnecessarily restrictive query, right? Because if it doesn't happen on this frame, then it'll miss it. But there shouldn't really be a condition that reaches that situation, so it's not really clear to me that that is actually a problem. What? Why is this just so? This is this is just removing people instantly, right? Isn't it? What am I missing here? It's so weird that this would. Oh, I guess it's like if you're getting a request join event and you're already in a game, it's gonna make you leave. That's kind of weird. Why do I even have this? Just get rid of this. It doesn't seem useful. Let's get rid of complicating, unhelpful systems. If it is supposed to do something, it's not working. That's for sure. This looks, honestly, this looks better than ever, so I don't have any issues there. Chunked by players in the same game. Then for every player in the same game, I'm wondering, how would I extend this to players? I guess I should be able to say like team. Yeah, team should have like an iterator that generates. Yeah, interesting. That can come later. We're not supporting 4 players for a while. Yeah, down the line goal. Correct. Now, part of what I'm wondering is, why isn't the website, because this all looks fine, maybe it's the front end, maybe it's the site itself, like the WASM bundle isn't telling the site to show the right state. Use WASM game, what is the actual way that we... That's right. Okay. This is where we have the lobby. It's taking menu state and menu actions. It's really just these 2 things. Request game local. That's correct as far as I understand. So this happens, right? We call request game local. That goes up here. This calling this bad boy. This should be, I mean, this is kind of, like, this is strictly typed, so should be, this will match this interface. Now the question is, what is the WASM bundle doing with that, I guess, because... Right. Maybe I just need to check. Ah! Make a small snide remark in my console log. my stupid VS code. Here we go. What happened? Look, man, we got here. All right, we got here. What? Did I already erase the... Oh, yeah. Oh, right. That was the old code. Okay, right. It's probably that I need to rebuild. Probably must have erased the code and forgotten to rebuild. But I do get help me. That's important to notice. I did see that. Oh. Excuse me. Pretty tired today. So we got here. Game request. What do you call this? I'm sure of it, right? I mean, because we were panicking. I guess we knew that, right? We knew that because we were hitting... Ooh, we're hitting this. So we already knew that we're... It's so weird, dude. Why does this wish so badly to misbehave? When, oh, that's right. This isn't the part we were looking at. We were reflecting on when do we go back to... Hey, actually show the... Yeah, that's right. When does connected... That's a good point. Oh, nope. Hello. This code. Check. We're in a game. So... State, all this stuff. Yeah, none of that accounts for just... Am I in the game? Network state in game, but... So this isn't returning. This isn't on. I would think that this would already not be a problem. This is going to be a challenge when it comes to leaving a local game. So we're going to have to reinitialize network connection somewhere. This is the one sort of problem I have with the architecture, is that it's not clear how you would treat entities that aren't supposed to be dealing with, like, entities client side that should be sort of treated as handled by authorities, by the authority. Basically, you opted in to control. That's, you know, also gonna add a lot of complications. So, not necessarily saying I want that, just a limitation that we have to work around here. It's not really sort of something I'm idling on. What is the problem here? That's important. That's important. Don't see this again. I feel like we should. We should be seeing that again. Just gonna organize this. Don't need this. Yeah. Yeah. This is what was supposed to be handled by that other function, that other system. Actually, I want to check then. Are any, like, wrong? Are these supposed to be? Yeah, this is supposed to be request me. Oh, it's just. Try adding this back, maybe. Since that's now at least not interfering. I just couldn't find the type here earlier for some reason. For some complicated reason, I guess it just didn't come up. Seems a little bit reduplicative. That's fine. All this stuff. Yeah, does this, can these just go up here? Seriously. Oh. Why is it angry? I don't understand. Oh, here it is. There we go. I like couldn't find the last hold on. I'm back. Oh, there it is. Oh no. I'll mess with you. It's obviously not important. Sorry, I'm just still confused at why it's not really making sense why this isn't... Why this isn't triggering, I guess, right? And the funny thing is I feel like it's useless to... The only data I can really get, right, is to go in here and log this or something, right? Am I not spawning the actual game? Calling game spawner. Isn't that what that does? Spawn game. I mean, this sounds like... I understand. No, I don't. No, I don't at all, actually. Is there anything else that happens in this case? We have the 2 players, and then we call spawn game. Man, Skullgirls is going real spooky mode right now, and I don't really need that. What do we got now? I have no idea which one this is. The music is going big spooky. Alright, that's annoying. But that's okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to using the online mode. And this works, which is interesting. Now, the problem is basically that this piece, this singular piece, is the one causing the issue. Because notice it says it's their turn now. But nobody sees the update. Not even these guys. So it must be an issue with this piece. Now, what I want to know is the problem with that piece as in that position? Or that piece as in just that piece. Let's try this guy. This one works. So it's not just like knights or this is a camel. Or it's camel-like. Maybe I should check if there are other pieces that have this problem. this guy? This guy has the problem too. Same, it's the corner, and the same problem happens. Okay, so what about this guy? We see this. Notice this piece is still not moved, so that's the bug we're seeing. What about you? Yeah, same problem. Other corner? Nope. What about this way? Nope. Yeah, okay, so all 4 corners have this issue. Why do corners have this issue? That's so weird. Okay, so this piece can move. Okay, let's try this guy then. Yep. What about you moving 1? Nope. What about you moving 2? No. Oh my god. So, okay. All the corners, for some reason, really struggle. Why? That makes absolutely no sense to me, actually. Stream error. Let me fix that. Fix that real quick. Spotify, where'd you go? Chats again. Where are the chats? Spotify? Oh, because it decides to randomly rename itself. That's right. I always forget. Not that. Oh, actually, wait. Kind of is. Before the outline was a little bit. Oh no. Top is a little. Oh. Oh. Why? Let's try one last quick one. All right, that's perfect. I was gonna bother me. So what's wrong with corners? You know, what's the problem? Why do corners stink, apparently? I need this one. Let's get one more, and we'll start from here. Position A1, the white rook. Even this shouldn't. What? Normally when I move a piece, the position updates. It doesn't even update. Yeah, okay. So that's condemning. That's damning even. Something's clearly borked about it, but I wonder what. So where would I even look for this? Would this be a problem? I guess in like move processing. Like yeah, here we go. It's debug. Yeah, once again, the problem is that I can't really report this information out as easily as I'd like to. I guess I can report it on the server, though. And the server... Wait a minute. I'm building the request turn event, right? Because that's how this works, right? We request a move to be made. That's true no matter what UI is working. because there are error states that have to be handled. Like, for example, hey, you need to handle this promotion, right? You need to provide additional data. Where the heck is request move or make move? No? Isn't there a turn? Trigger move. That's such a weird... I have such inconsistent naming in this repo. Start with this. Because I do still want to check whether downstream the turn event is processed, but ultimately it's not going to answer any questions if I don't know that I'm sending the event at least. Which, I mean, considering all the logic should be shared. I mean, yeah, okay, it's making the action. That's good. It's sending the turn event. Take a look at where these get consumed one more time, even though I've done it 100 times. Create move event. No, that's the... Yeah, these are the tests. Tech turn for each of these. Okay. Huh. What is this piece? Let's take a quick look at what this piece is. It's defined in the layouts. The featured layouts, it's this rook, butterfly, and it's a castling target. There's no way that should be a problem. We can test it, but Foss Unleashed, welcome. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome, welcome. We're just doing a little bit of bevy programming, toying around with a experimental fairy chess application. So, welcome. Hope you all have some fun. How was your stream, Foss Unleashed? It's a good name, also. I like that. All right, I'm just going to test it because I'm curious and my brain can't not when it's curious. It's easy to compile. And all these nice little reasons. Why not, right? We'll just test it. That shouldn't have anything to do with the issue, but we're going one step at a time here. Whatever the next thing we're going to test is going to be probably equally curious. And also, I still have to figure out a strategy for piping logs through here without writing too much code that I want to then unwind. I could actually treat these as like hard errors. It's not through here, sorry. It's through here. Could actually treat these as like errors. I could, you know. The point is that these are supposed to be just handled as continues, right? These aren't really valid error states, except I guess for which ones? This one doesn't make any sense. I guess that is an error state. Again, not really relevant for our current problem though, which we'll see in a moment as soon as we're done compiling. The issue is basically when we move the pieces in the corner, They don't like that very much. They don't like it very much at all. So we'll set up an online game. Oh, it worked. Oh, so that is the problem. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm so glad I randomly tested that. That's really useful. Okay. So why is that a problem? What? Oh, okay. Let's try position 2 as well. I guess the hint was that it, oh, I'm playing as black. The hint is that it like, it was all of the rooks. Oh, but okay. So it didn't work this time. But it did still execute the turn. Why? Oh, right. Okay, yeah, because they still have, all right, so this would confirm that this is the issue. Again, not exactly the most robust bug hunting, but hey, we make do. We make do on Snendev. So why would castle target? Castling or castle? Castling. Target. Me and my naming. Anybody else ever feel that way? Why does my naming always feel so garbage sometimes? Perpetually. Always improves, but it's never what you want. So, okay, why is this getting ruined? We're still compiling. These are all just builders. These are all just builders, okay? But what's funny is... could be I misimplemented this system. And this is the only query. It should only be for this behavior specifically, right? And that's the thing is it's not even these guys taking the action. Yeah, so it basically the only queries that engage with this is this. Like this is the only one that even engages with that component. So let's just try disabling it, since that strategy worked unbelievably well the first time. Just kind of found our problem immediately. Always love when that happens, huh? Oh, why am I doing that? We're testing this bad boy. Yeah. And then we're testing... oh, not that one. Position 3. Sure, why not? Yeah, the problem was we're gonna have to restart. I goofed. I started I had to... it only just matches pairs greedily right now, so I lost track of what state it was in. It's fine. I'm rebuilding it with no changes. It shouldn't take long. At least I hope there's no changes since the last ones. Alright, but let's definitely do this. Oh, I am actually compiling it with changes. I removed these. So, okay, whatever. We know the problem. We know the problem. Whatever. Who cares? The problem is definitely this. I'm gonna disable this. We're gonna see if it works now. I wish I could, wish I could just pull up the XKCD, but more than pulling up the XKCD for compile times would be being able to do things like actually do chair fencing, but not really an option right now. Future streams. Hashtag goals. Probably less chair fencing and more playing chess. Other games like that. That is a goal. We're getting there. As far as I understand it, this is the last bug that I know of stopping release. So hopefully it's the last, like... Why did I move that piece? I don't care about that piece. I care about this piece. That is a very big deal. That is a very big deal. Because as I understand it, that has that. Here's the question. Still on the other modes as well? Because, I did the thing again. Because they also had castling target. Yeah, okay. Sweet. I also need to get rid of the move highlights. Like when you commit a move, that's a thing I need to fix. That's a pretty minor UI bug though. So okay, so clearly the issue is these two systems. Now why? Okay, so I don't understand why this is a problem at all. Why is this a problem even a little bit? I thought for a second I had it, and then I was like a big dumb, but then actually not at all. Because what this is basically doing, the attempt is to say, hey, look, we had a position, we had an orientation. Orientation being like, let's say this wasn't chess, but it was a chess-like game where pieces had, you know, like, they could, maybe pawns could turn, for example, right? And change what direction they're pointed in. So the piece already exists, is what we guarantee with this condition. And then we check that it's changed. And if it's been changed, yeah. I mean, we know that it's been mutably dereferenced, basically. We know that we have accessed one of these two components and removed some component. Question is, why is this a problem? Because we're only removing, like, this little thing. I don't understand why this is an issue at all. Thank you, Smash Music. You invigorate me and compel me to execute mine ends through mine own means. I have no intuitions about this. This is really stumping me. Why did turning this system off do anything? So one thing to keep note of is that this is happening in what ordering relative to player moves? Have this plugin which adds the behaviors. So says, yep, run them on turn events and stuff. Yep, that's true. Run the game systems before the behavior systems. Run all turn events and all of that. Why would this cause that? I'm not crazy, right? Like, this is pretty sure This build works. And this build has, let's honestly git commit. Snapshot when debugging, castling, target, thug. Capitalize these words. Build, I guess. And in this build, everything is sort of back to normal. We haven't made any changes at all. This one should fail. This one we expect the online behavior not to work. And once we're done with that, I'm just gonna check, validate one last time. Disabling this. In fact, even just this, disabling just this, should fix the problem. That's what we're observing as far as I understand it. Oh, I'm lost. Part of the trouble here is I don't want to go too far in setting up like too much bespoke debugging logic for this. I'm working generally on integrating better like error handling and all of these things into the systems, like better bad state reporting and all of that. But there's sort of a lot of work to do there. It's just gonna take some time to really make stuff super observable. Just when it comes to threading through like world snapshotting tools, for example. You know, I could execute dynamic queries, couldn't I? That'd be pretty interesting. I wonder how I would do that. But it's possible that I could just like from command line, or not command line, but like browser console. Pretty interesting. Like I want to like put a log line here. All right, let's. I said I was gonna test it. I know that it's. Of course. I know that. I mean, we're gonna see that this is part of it, right? I don't understand why disabling the castling target set its position somehow, or and actually, you know what? Go to the next song. Song is killing me. Can you type ahead of me, please? Alright, while these compile, I'm taking a break. I'll be right back. right. Excuse the break. Let's get back to it. So let's see what's happening. What did I do last? I put logs in. I'm gonna move this. Not getting the logs here because we never do. But we do see this. This error isn't important. Old. Or it's related to an old render of the page. That's fine. E3. So that's the correct place to be, is the weird thing. But now it's back. So here we have the correct readout. Why? Probably Strive or something. That franchise cares a lot about its metal, wailing electric guitars. Yeah, so... Huh. Why does it move back? Why does it move back? Like, the server sees it too, right? So I can't make the argument that like, oh, the server isn't getting the update, and so it's, you know, sort of replicating the bad state, you know, the older state back. It's seeing the turn. It sees and processes the turn. We know because it's Black's turn. But something is moving the position. What? I mean, I don't know what else to... What? What is moving the position back? Excuse me. It's not the actions code, right? Because that doesn't actually change. I guess I'm looking for and mut. Only this. What? This is, I mean, there's no way this is a record. That library is pretty thorough. Also pretty, I don't know, type erased. Although I don't know reflection anymore. I think they used to use reflection. But it's all serialized impulse now, right? So same stuff. I feel like I'm just throwing mud at the wall, but like I'm expecting to see this put the piece on B3. What I'm not sure is what's gonna happen after that. right? Like, I'm gonna see that, and then what does that mean, right? Like, why is it suddenly not on B3 at the end of the frame? The thing keep in mind the thing calling update is, doing so just in a loop and then querying stuff, sort of with ownership of the world is the point, right? We're so spooky today. What's going on with all the spookiness? I guess fighting games have a lot of spooky characters. Ta-da. Didn't happen, right? A1 to B3. It's on B3. Then immediately... and then immediately here we see... remove that as well because it's not necessary. It shouldn't help, but well. In fact, I'm gonna add that. Oh, yes. Actually, let's check for more. I'm pretty sure that's useful. Pretty sure they have the batching already in 0.13. If I remember right. Double check that. Oh no! Oh. Lost my YouTube Studio tab for a moment there. Bevy news. I want to look at 13. We're still on 13. Bird. Yeah, automatically. Though again, there's no way this has a meaningful result. Of course not. Just good cleanup. All this stuff needs to be totally destroyed too. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. It's like I want in here to check this value, but I do. That's what we're doing. This is the only time it changes. It doesn't change again. It just doesn't. But we do get the movement. And then we get it here in this system. Right? Maybe over here we can also report the entity. Is that worth it? Is that helpful? Why not? Right. Always forget about that. Where else can I look, though? Like, I kind of... not sure the easiest place to get more logs, like the best place to get more info. I guess this happens at the end, right? So the next frame. Eva Logan. I'm well, thank you. Thanks for joining. How are you? Hello, hello. Doing some debugging. And I am pouting over my progress. But that's okay. That's how it goes. Pretty good. Excellent. Excellent. I hope that continues. This is from Sing Song. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some random logic. Yeah, I code and stream. That's what I do. Is there something specific you want to see? Warrior entity. Yeah, I work with just had a tab up, but bevy. Games and bevy. Check it out sometime. It's pretty cool. This is a chess app. New on Twitch, yeah. I've been on Twitch before, not on this account, but so I'm like a little, I guess, I know kind of what the experience is like, but no, I've only been streaming for like a week, maybe. So, thanks for joining. Yeah, I also have a YouTube stream at the same time, so you can catch me on both platforms. I do occasionally make videos, but it's probably going to be somewhat rare. I'm new at that as well. So that is me. Where was I? I wanted to... In here, I'm going to track the entity. Entity. And then I'm going to... this should be... No, that's fine, actually. Star tracking going to be not equal. Placeholder. And... if let... Okay. Don't care. Position. Don't care. Is piecequery.get tracking entity. So what I'm doing here is, basically I'm telling my system to give me a little bit of memory to work with. And then when I actually move a piece, I'm going to stick that piece in that bit of memory, and then I'm going to use that to basically log some more info. That's going to tell me, after I make this log, I'm going to look at this log and see, is it still on B3 or not? Because it should be on B3, but if it's not on B3, that's bad. Yeah, I love coding. It's a good time. And I think, you know, streaming is sort of something I could do while I work, right? Not too hard. Not too hard to add on top. Not that. Square. And I also do want the entity, actually. Oh, but I have this placeholder. Tracking entity. Tracking entity. This is position.0. I believe, yeah? No. Oh, God. I have to dereference that, so I'm not happy with that. And I also need to get rid of the second argument. Yes, it is. Oh, jerk. Okay, I gotta put it in an option. Fine. I guess that's better. What type of game am I making? So this is a chess variant, but I'm making more than one game at once. This is one of my projects. I also have a disc golf game I'm making, though I've shown that one a little bit less on stream because basically, as I started streaming, this project is pretty close to release, so it's been what I'm kind of focusing on. So you'll see more of this. You'll see a little bit of the disc golf stuff in future streams, and actually the Bevy Game Jam is coming up in a week, right? A week? It's, what day is it? Calendar. Actually, I don't know what accounts I'm signed into here, so let me not do that. Calendar. This one's a calendar. Ta-da. I think it starts the 21st. There we go. So yes, a week. Ta-da. And for that, who knows what we'll be making? It depends on the theme. And they actually just started the voting process for what the theme will be. So, anyway, we plan to do all kinds of stuff. Is I guess the point. I say we because I'm not the only person who's going to be on my team, but also just I, right? If that makes sense. Not this. It's now entity. Some entity, but yeah, it's a chess variant. The variant is basically, it's not really a variant. It's a fairy chess engine. So fairy chess is like the concept of what group of game, like what the family of games around chess would be. So that includes shogi, that includes all sorts of possible variants, duck chess, and whatever else. Yeah, I'm excited about it. I hope you. I mean, frankly, I hope people play it, and I hope people have fun with it. They do play it, so if it's interesting to you, that's great. And also, I noticed that you've given me a follow, so thank you very much for that. And I hope, I hope you have fun. Enjoy the stream. So let's see. Did I rebuild yet? I did not, did I? I did not. Need to rebuild now. Got it. Excellent. Yeah, so that's what you see on board. All these pieces. I mean, they're not regular chess pieces. You're not going to see it until we go back into the game. Oh, here we go. It auto reloads because of the hot module reload, which is just because I'm compiling. We can't look at that stuff. You can ask anything you'd like, but you know, I always keep it within. I always reserve my right to answer however I'd like as well, of course. Yeah, so the pieces, the icons show you like where the piece can move, and it's going to be sort of wacky and different every time. We're close to release here. Not release, I mean. The next set of tests. Pretty good. Friend George gave me this playlist. It's really good. It's all like fighting game soundtracks. Let's see here. Why? What? Oh, wait. A1 to B3. Let me add this in just in case, but I don't think we're reaching this. I'm pretty sure we're reaching this. This requires me adding like some special sauce. I definitely didn't do that. For this piece, I mean. Why is this not working then? One more rebuild. Always more rebuilds. Yeah, of course. Feel free to here, you can I should have an email somewhere on my streams that I can get business emails. Let me DM you my email, and I'll take a look and let you know. I'm not like actively looking for anything right now, but it's very possible that I, could be looking for like icons or something in the near future, and I'm happy to hit you up. Oh yeah, Discord, that works too. You can join, so I should have a Discord link in the... Is it not in my description? Like, my related links or something on Twitch somewhere? You should be able to join the Discord. We're live. I totally didn't notice that we were done compiling. Still break. It doesn't actually run again. I'm dumb. It doesn't actually run again because this runs under a whole bunch of run conditions. What am I doing? I'm very silly. This doesn't work. This doesn't work at all. I need the system to actually run on the next frame, and that's not happening. Eva Logan, let me know if you don't see the Discord link. I can fetch it for you or point it out to you. In fact, let me just load that up. So how am I going to do this then? Damn. What's something that doesn't run on turn event? I guess is this. But that's kind of silly, right? I could do it here. I could capture the intended position. Yeah, okay. I guess that is what I have to do. Tracking piece. Tracked piece. Option entity. And then where was the other code? Come back. Oh, was it also in here? I guess it was also in here. Oh no, so that means I overrode it. Damn. All right, that's okay. Let's piece. What do I want? I want positions. I don't need it to be mut. Oh yeah, I do need it to be mut. I need it to be mut because here I'm going to say tracked piece equals some piece. And I'm gonna dereference it. Did I recompile? Is that what happened? Oh, I'm not done yet. Okay. I started to recompile. Yeah, I just accepted. Welcome, and yeah, we'll be in touch. Almost. There we go. All right. Oh. That's B3. That's B3. It's still B3 forever. It's B3 the whole time. So now when I go... Oh, right. I ended the server. I forgot. All right. We're trying again. We're trying again. We're trying again. I do want this one. B3. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what the problem is. It's also the appropriate square. And now it works. That's wild. That's so wild. That's so wild. Why? Why? I don't understand. You know what, though? These should only be run by the authority. Huh. Huh. I'm wondering if maybe because there are, like, Like maybe Replicon is silently erroring out and filtering out a bunch of the diffs because we're updating some things locally, and then that makes it not match or something like that. So if we did run and then as authority, is I guess what I want, right? I do not see a message from you yet. When I get one, well, maybe not immediately when I get one. I'm working on this right now, but I will happily take a look. Dang, these compile times have been... I feel like they were quite reasonable lately. I wonder what I changed. Have I got it? No, I haven't received a message yet. Maybe it's like a Discord's filtering it out thing. Oh yes, there we go. It just didn't yeah, why didn't it send me a notification? That's sweet. Yeah, I look forward to taking a look. I hope you don't mind if I defer actually looking until at least until I'm done with my current task. I may not look super focused, and that's because I'm still getting used to being, you know, productive on stream, because it's a very new, you know, thing for me, like I said. I gotta stay on task. That's all. Trigger the bug one more time. Still says B3. I don't know why. What if I move a different piece? What if I move a different piece? This happens. But now... Aha! Aha. And it can... Where is it now? I'm confused. I just went here. I'm so confused. Where is this piece? I also don't really know what's going on with the tract. There we go. Huh. Okay. So having authority has nothing to do with it. What? I'm gonna take away the and then. I'm gonna just do two. I don't really want to do that though. I do want the client to like do that layer of work optimistically, ideally. But honestly, it doesn't seem to be helping, so I'm not like it's not really worth getting stuck on it. Still don't understand why. How much time will I take? I mean, I'm debugging. We'll see. Is it time critical? Like, I'll message you back. It's cool if you want to go check out other streams and stuff. I get it, man. You're promoting and all that. Come on, compiler. Do it, bud. Yeah. There we go. Big time. Look at all that compiling. Yeah, the problem with debugging is you kind of just have to keep going until it's done. A lot of the time you can make good guesses, and a lot of the time you really can't at all. Excuse me. I wonder what just happened. That was weird. Client should be connected. Some kind of weird networking bug. Yeah, of course. Yeah, no, for sure. I don't know if I can get you something immediately, but no, I'll absolutely look. I'll let you know if there's something I need. Because yeah, I happy to at least see if I can an opportunity. But yeah, that's gonna take some like looking through notes and all that kind of thing. So better if I get back to you. But I'll message you. Triggered it. Okay, but look, point is, it works. It gets to. There's no reason for me to rerun this 9 times. I need to. This doesn't help. Is the important thing. Okay. Do I want to keep it? When but like what? I'm bewildered, man. Like every time we've seen it, right? It's done effectively this. Yeah, we got the start. You get the tracking, and then it says, yeah, B3. Like your square is B3. That's what this is. But if I log on the front end, like I bet I can. Let's see, when should I report this? I mean, shoot, I have this. This is already happening. Why don't I just do it here? I could set some state here. This is wacky. I love it.
Ready? Marvel vs. Capcom 2. New Age of Heroes. Select your heroes.
This is a very silly song. We need to move on. It's a little too silly. It's not helping me focus. So then when we make a turn, issue trigger move, whatever, we take this piece entity that we've found. Self.1 equals some piece. Here we go. And then on update, we're gonna call log get the, we need a value for this. It's going to be position. Self.0.world.query, and actually it's not this. No, I can just say get position for what entity? It's self dot give let some okay. All right. Self dot one dot map entity. I guess it's like flat map and that. Ah. This is gonna be entity. Right, and it should be like that. Okay. Oh wow, it's actually cool with that. That's great. Now it returns a result, doesn't it? Oh no, it returns an object, an option. That's fantastic. Not an object. Ah, that's not what I meant to. Oh my gosh, so many missed buttons. Get rid of this. Right. Position dot zero. Tracking. Wrong place to put that. Tracking. Why did I put that there?
Why so down tonight? Just another day that didn't go your way. Well, don't you make a side. Just take my hand, don't toss and turn. Let's just lie awake. In just a moment's time, you wonder why you ever thought you ever longed for more than you've got. 'Cause baby, you've got you and me. I'm gonna hold you tight through the night. The bed bug's better. Hope that I don't bite while you're counting sheep in your head. It's time to hit the sack, kapow attack, smack those troubles down, KO they're down. 1, 2, 3 a.m. Or is it midnight still? The window sills a million miles away, but your lucky star
Here we
is
are.
here for sure. Down beneath the sheets, the world is yours to conquer. Won't be long, dear. I'm the king and you're the pawn. Whoa, perfect pair. Girl, you made the right mistake. Choose me instead of constant heartbreak. Now let's raise the stakes. Go on, you earned it. Ask for any wish I wanted. Granted word for word, I promise.
Why?
Baby, that's the charm.
Why? It's the only question. One moment, please.
Don't you be afraid. In just a moment's time, you wonder
Maybe this has something to do with
ever thought you ever
spawning the game. Like,
more than you've got, 'cause baby, you've got you and
that is actually spawning the game, but this is spawning the game entities. I don't understand the problem. Maybe, so here's one of the things that's happening right now is I have a UI I can run that is like it exists and works fine, but problem it doesn't render the pieces like at all. So that's really bad, right? Not very usable. But what I could do is run bevy editor please with it. I don't want star, I want rates Editor, please. I want version 8. I want version... Oh, I do want version 8. Okay, great. 8. Not 8. 0, 8. Add plugins. Bevy editor, please. Something like this, perhaps. And then rather than even worry about... Oh, wait. I don't know if I actually can do what I need to do because I might not be able to execute turns. I might not be able to, like, make pieces move at all. But we can find out. We can find out. The reason it might be useful to do this little layer here is that I want to know client side what's happening to... I guess to some degree I know it's a networking issue, right? Now that I think about it, because the server gets the update. Like the server receives the correct update and positions the piece correct. So what happens on the client side? And if I run this way, if I try to run with the UI, I'll actually be putting myself in a server-like context and therefore getting less information about what I need. Now that I think about it, that's not helpful. This is helpful. This will let me know that my that they're different. They return different things. I should find the first log. That's a good point. I should find the first one of these. The first thing I checked, by the way, when I went over to here, was that, not here, is that the replication was attached to every piece. Like all of them, right? So we know that it should be receiving updates. We know that it's not like a problem of the server not sending it any packets, which also wouldn't make sense, right? Because we get the it's combining all of them. That's how we know that there's nothing different. It's A1, and it's A1, and that's it. Oh, that's killer. Right. Huh. Oh boy. One piece. What a strange issue. So can I prove that it's Replicon? Maybe I can hook into Replicon systems and check if and yeah, that's a good call. That's a good call. And actually, let me obstruct. What I want is tracked entity or tracked piece. You know what? Where'd it go? All right. We will get rid of this. Get rid of this. Put this back. Come on. Dereference it. That makes sense. That's reasonable. Shh. Okay, so this is set up as a resource, and now let's take a look real quick at now is crates.io, crates, bevy replicon. Thought I was going to go to replicon immediately, to be honest. I actually wanted docsrs. Or wait, do I want docsrs? No, I want to go to the repo, don't I? Should probably be searching code. In fact, I have a copy of it locally. I could just do that. I'm not sure why I'm going through this. What do I want? I'll look at like the system set definitions. So let's see if they call it right. Server set and client set. I guess this would be client set, right? So receive packets, receive, sync hierarchy, sync. What I think we're looking for is, these are all pre-update. All of my, when do I use pre-update or post-update even? That doesn't count. That also doesn't count. This also doesn't count. What about post-update? That is fine. That also is fine. Okay, good. So it's nothing to do with that. In fact, so I guess this is the one I want to do stuff around. Receive packets has to do with when the actual packets come in, whereas receive is the one I want to work around. So, okay. Sorry, also responding in Discord. Oh, I guess. Wait, what? Did I not add the code to actually debug this stuff? Maybe I didn't. That's fine though. Where was I? I was looking at. Right. That's right. That's what I'm active. I'm sorry. I'm all over the place. Still trying to figure all this stuff out. Okay, so where do I want to put this? It's just a separate system. Right, so maybe just here, add systems, pre-update, before, what do I want? It's bevy, replicon, client systems. Oh, I don't want it here. That's right. I want it in client. The update, and then dot run, or no, be this dot before bevy replica. I guess it's client set, and dot, and then I want to add a second thing. I want to add a second system. Oh my god, my words are struggling. Say like set of systems. doing too many things at once. What do these code, like pieces of code actually do, right? What am I doing with them? Oh, I have to do this. I have to do this. I do want that. Yes, I do want that import. Thank you very much, Rust Analyzer. So, what am I doing here? I am querying for... Okay, that's what I'm doing. System. In fact, I can write the system. Port, tract. Piece. Option, res, track. Okay, that's part of the problem. So I do need to make this bigger pub. I also don't need this anymore. Here. I'm being lazy right now. Oh, it's actually log, not print line. I need log format. Position. This, and ta-da! There we go. Now we need to get piece 0, right? I think. Dot unwrap. No, not 0. That should be fine. Correct piece. Oh, shoot. Piece dot 0. There we go. All right. So we need to update this. What? That's right, I forgot about this, huh? I don't need this anymore, though. Yeah, because I can just pull from that resource. Oh, wait, but that resource might not be sent client side, will it? Yeah, this is not a system that'll read that. So we want it in the requester, I guess. Huh. Alright, but I can just do that in here, right? Yeah. Which is basically the same as what I was doing before. It's just self.0.world.insert resource now. Yeah. Great. Because up to date here. This guy. Oh, okay. So it's just not getting the update. Like, as far as I can tell, that's all there is to it. It's just kind of wild, honestly. Wait, sorry. I want to look at the server, and what we can do is we'll add update. Take commands, and what we'll do is we'll just say commands.run if, or insert resource rather. Oh, are we gonna read from tournaments? Events from client. For event in events.read. Tracking piece. Track piece. Event dot what? Oh really? What? That's not right. Wait, what? Oh. That's why. Because it doesn't know what it's reading at all. Event dot piece. Great. Ah, it's tracks. Yeah, report tracks position. Here. Maybe this goes in last, actually. Let's say it that way. Okay. All right, this is going to take a minute to compile, so I'm going to stand up again. All right, we're back. Yeah, I think I'm getting like ever so slightly tilted by the fact that it just doesn't really make sense why this is happening, right? Why is it that... Actually, that's what I should do. I should... the system. I should try. Nope. Not those ones. It's the like move on. The castle. Oh. This. Here we are. It's so weird to me that this has this strange problem. Let's do this as well. Where is it? Yeah, right here. This is what I want. You know what? It doesn't need the same one. What was the type? Castling target. Okay. Castling target. I want to do this on the server side as well, so actually, now that I think about it, and we wait again. Do I not have a dynamic compilation library? I might not. This might be my fault. That song came in really soft. I didn't really think about how some of these songs are probably like a little too quiet for this these levels. I need to work on the audio levels for this stream. That's okay. I don't know how to challenging problem. That's unbelievable. Yeah, the update just has dropped. which is super weird. Or wait, actually, does that make sense? Yeah. Maybe I want this as well. Or like, actually, you know what? I want it in update after which systems, which set is last? Sorry, is latest. Matchmaking. Let's check. So after the behavior systems, actually, wait a minute. Now that I think about it, yeah, this is in that. Okay.
Get it on that selector, make it verse quick. Get it on down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Get it on down, choose and pick the best one. Get it on that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it on that selector, make it verse quick. Get it on down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Get it on down, choose and pick the best one. Get it on that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it on that selector, make it verse quick. Get it on down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Get it on down, choose and pick the best one. Get it on that 5.
But then I also might not be. I want server set, right? So that's the thing. Where does this happen? Probably send. I want to check. I want to go before and after send. Maybe I actually want to run before the matchmaking system's done. Or there we go. Also be pre-up or sorry, post up. Does mean that. This is. I don't know what to do about it. Pretty much right after we have to have into this. I was lucky that I got that bug at the end. Saved me some work. But admittedly, still very confused. Client side. So on the client side, got get logs and bundles of 3, right? So this means that in update, Hassler was still true for 1 frame. Wait, that's not how that works. It would, sorry. Before client set receive, yeah. Yeah, that's the point. That before client set receive, yeah, we're just not getting the update. Why? Why is that update getting lost consistently? Only for this piece. I don't understand. Something to do with like removing. It must be this. This actually now really does feel like it's a network bug. Let's see. You know what? That's what I wanted to do before. Let's see what happens now if we do this same debugging with the system that's causing the... Like, there was a system earlier that when we removed it, it alleviated the problem, right? Let's remove that again. And my guess is what's happening is we're just getting over some, like, packet limit or something like that. Where is this code? Where are these systems? Oh, I had this problem. This is in the behaviors book. Ta-da. All right, so let's. It's only this one. So I don't need to do both of them. It's just this one. Server. Client. Oh, we're way off. Okay. Come on. You can do it, buddy. Make it. Woo, home stretch. Sometimes you just gotta cheer the computer on. Maybe it has to do with the histories and stuff, honestly. The amount of other updates we're probably sending like a ton of updates on this one frame. Now that I think about it, I wonder if Replicon is configurable. Not doc.rs, docs.rs, docs.rs. Bevy Replicon. Here we go. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for... Right? Yeah, that's probably good. Yeah, that makes some sense. Maybe I look in the server and and you know, the reason it's probably deterministic is probably that adding castle targets means that they're in a separate archetype, which means that they'll always get iterated last or something like that's probably some detail like that that's making this so reliable, right? Where's the server? I'm so dumb. It's up here. This. Update timeout duration, tick policy, max tick rate 30. Yeah, that's fine, but You know, maybe actually, here's another good point. Let's check what is the name of the Go HB? Renet 2? Right? Yeah, there we go. Let's look at this branch's history. Fix bevy renet 2 run condition bug. Okay, a lot of updates. Life. Why don't I try that? Why don't I make sure that... Yeah, what commit am I using? That's a great question. 77CD40. Oh, okay, so I'm using basically latest then. Again, we're not on 014. Okay, but we're ready to test, right? We have the... Where's my... So let's do this. Let's do this. Wait, why did it broke again at the same spot? It broke again in the same spot? What? You're kidding, right? All right, it was kidding, I guess.
We await your return, warrior.
It's so weird. Honestly, I mean, this is what I would expect, though, right? Like, where's the damn here? After this, suddenly we're not gonna get. Not gonna work. And I don't know who's bugged. Figure it out. Damn. This is kind of a pain. I guess I need to fork Replicon and like actually diagnose this. Because Eva Logan, welcome back. Welcome back. Thanks for rejoining. Have I checked it out? No, I am mired in the mud of this problem. I wanna code this. Let's get Oh no, it's not Replicon. It's Renet 2, isn't it? Oh, but is it Replicon? Maybe it is Replicon. Maybe I need to check if there are Replicon versions. I don't care about this. I need to look at the command history. There's update bevy 014. We gotta be somewhere here. Yeah, there you go. Do this. So 26.3. Am I on 26.3 here? I am not on 26.3. Oh, there are probably bugs fixed. Events example. Sync hierarchy. What is this? Oh, sync hierarchy. Oh, I see. Policy and server. Oh, that's fine. Regression and server events logic. I don't know if that's relevant. You know, I don't see anything that looks like it would cause the error. Oh, there we go. Boom. Fix replication with the removal at the same time. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to hear that. This is not me. Holy moly. Bevy Replicon. Where's Replicon? Not in here. We want version 26, right? Oh man, I'm now like 0 time. That was... Whew. Bear of an issue caused by one character fix. It's a classic. Classic. Diagnosing a network issue. Makes sense. Oh, so Bevy Replicon Renet? Is that going to be a problem? Right? Oh. Now we need to fix any compiler errors that are caused by upgrading versions, which it's very possible there are none, but more likely there will be some. Okay, that's app rule extension. Yeah, I'll send a DM in Discord. And then wait for you. To be clear. Oh, wait, what? Oh, this is a different file, I guess. Yeah. No? I'm so confused. Oh, there we go. That's I get what happened now. What happened here, though? What? Now what's the problem? You jerk, still? App rule. Replicated. I like that, actually. I like that a lot. Replication. But replicated in all cases. Nope. Whoa. Oh, okay, I see. Rule. Extension and then app. A prelude. I don't like Rust Analyzer's tendency to always use, like, I guess to never use preludes, which I guess why it I get why it doesn't, but it is annoying. I wish you could, like, mark an attribute or something, like prefer this if possible. That would be ideal, but not really gonna happen. I feel like that's wishful. So who knows? Rust is pretty dope. They do tend to make a bunch of dope stuff. Alright, so let's see what else we have here that we need to, excuse me, remove. Yeah. Let's get rid of these. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Aha, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. That. Excellent. None of that. Thank you very much anymore. Oh, yeah, that's right. This is the one I need to get rid of now. And I need to get rid of that definition, the tracked piece definition. This. Not what I'm looking for. This guy I am looking for. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Oh man, I should have checked their commits sooner, but I guess I really didn't expect it to be a networking bug until I really couldn't find any other arguments for it. That's a yes. Yes. I don't know yet. Certainly not. Certainly not. Yes, that's a yes. Yes, that's a yes. That's a yes. That's a yes. Yes. No, so I'm gonna fix that more. No. No. Yes. 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 Actually, let's check if there's anything left that has to do with... None of this has to do with Replicon. I do need this stuff. So, okay. Let's just fix it. What am I trying to do here? Where's the code? Port tracked position. Port tracked... Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Tracked. Get rid of it. Nope. Nope. And we get rid of this. And we get rid of this. And we get rid of this. And we get rid of most of this. We can definitely put command here. Oh, really? We can't. Commands, not command. Interesting. What if we run system once? Huh. Interesting. Cool. So everything broke. That's bad. Why is that happening? Try and rerun it and see what happens. Maybe it was because I was mid shuffling stuff around. I want to go here. We're not doing this. Hold on. That's a no, and that's a no. Anything else? That's a no. Oh, great. Upgrade Replicon to fix replication issue. I mean, push. Yeah, I'm pushing. We're doing it. I will release the server in a bit. I guess I should probably go off stream to do that. But make sure first that it works. This is breaking. Resource does not exist. Client event registry. Confusing. Quite sure this adds client plugin, right? Client event registry. I guess I committed a little too soon, huh? You know what? Here's what I should do. I should look at their emails. We'll go to the tag for 26.3. And we'll just quickly take a peek here at some of their tests or whatever. What am I looking for? It's client event registry. Client event registry. What? You're kidding. I mean, I have it. Correct myself. Hit checkout. Okay. So does this not get added by default anymore? Oh, I see. Okay. So I just need these to both get added now. Got it. That's fine. I'm opting into having to do that manually by way of not using their plugin, which is my fault. It is what because we do add these events. Yeah, there we go. P, no, yes. And then I'm even gonna remove that has authority check. This for this build. I would be lying. Let's make sure I have them. Yep. Don't forget events plugins. Let's make sure these actually compile before pushing this time. That's generally good practice. Because both client and server it's only the actual server and client plugins themselves that should be split between bundles. And that isn't necessarily the case forever. Like arguably it would be good to have peer-to-peer connections be available. And even things like private lobbies and stuff like that for games generally. Replicon has support for this stuff. It's just that I don't want to like have code that assumes that we if I add this in the wrong order. Okay, sure. Okay, because this doesn't depend on. That'll go there, and then here, it'll also go. Maybe that works. Here we are. There we go. Weird. Okay, now we're getting this weird issue more commonly, which is unfortunate. Called received message from other channels. What? Oh. 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 Right. Isn't it? Plug in. Here.
Out in the Rex Village, a dark world with street soldiers, thugs and gangbangers, just like we showed you that last part of your life.
They were saying before, this is I was when I was looking at these tests.
I put my title up. Everybody got to beat it. It's time you hung it up.
Tests. In these tests. I was looking in these tests.
This would have been the closest you got to the medal if you plan to start from scratch. You gotta fight.
What I was seeing was that
victory and who's getting ate up.
have
Survivors are always labeled the fittest. That's why you couldn't win this. I'm the living legend, veteran in this. My first priority got dealt with successfully. Nothing more to prove in my corner. No one tested me. I finished all my missions. You tell me who the best could be. Capcom,
wasn't for the
lockdown,
transport.
Infinity, Street Fighter, so I moved on. Now my life is much better. On to bigger things, but we hustle forever. We cut your life short. Plus you thought you was clever. It's all about the family. We stayed silent forever. Yo, I moved on. Now my life is much better. Now we on some bigger things, but we hustle
gosh.
forever. We cut your life short. Plus you thought you was clever. It's all about the family. We stayed silent forever. Third chapter. Third strike.
some Vecca Vex change, like how they accepted the. I thought, crazy. Honestly, it could be that I was looking at the Renet 2 updates too. A little bit late for me too. I wasn't planning on streaming for too long, so it's possible that I just need to take a break and come back to this. Have at least gotten close. Very close. Problem is, a little too close now. Yeah. Having this additionally, I think it's happening. I mean, this time it's probably possible. So.
Too much power to try get into. Catch us on the net with secrets. A little more to do. You try to pick the evilest. You try to bring me down, but I got Almighty one on my side. Holding me down. It's time I moved on. Bigger things, bigger contenders. Get this paper from winning matches and money spenders.
Maybe actually, maybe adding this was
Street Fighter 3. So I moved on. Now my life is much better, on to bigger things. But we hustle forever, we cut your life short. Plus he thought you was clever, it's all about the family. We stay silent forever, yo, I moved on. Now my life is much better, now we on some bigger things. But we hustle forever, I cut your life short. Plus he thought you was clever, it's all about the family. We stay silent forever.
It seemed like it would be a problem.
Break it down now. Street soldiers. Almighty one. Jagaya. LCC. Yeah.
Just look.
Oh, it's not hot. Right there. West side. East side. South side. North side.
Russian server set.
Yeah. Very strong.
Doesn't
He's true. No doubt. Third strike. Chapter
wonder if since 27 happened. Server events and client events.
Out in the Rex village, a dark world with street soldiers, thugs and gangbangers. Just like we showed you that last part of your life, but now it's changed to the newer era. Sick, even more colder than whatever. Yo, it's time I moved on. I broke my title up. Everybody got defeated. It's time you hung it up. Optional. The level you on.
Okay, so as far as I know, this doesn't include any issue like solutions to issues that make this obviously like their problem again. Probably this issue is my problem now. But why? So let's look at the change log from I was on 24.1, I believe.
Check it out now. Yeah, check it out, yo. Yo, check it out now. Third strike, yo. Yo, I know you got your options, so pick the right thing. Some choices to make them mad, ruckus to bring them just hooked on it. Dark bodies who want it. I don't know where you got your skills from. Jump off it, bring it on. Any opponent or contender, no one can stop this with guns and objects. As far as I'm concerned, yo, it's only one topic. Joining street fighters from bare hands to toxic. You're an average warrior, I be the master. I can teach you how to fight and move faster. One false move, kid,
None of
that be
these do
disaster.
anything all that useful. There's a lot of things, but none of them are changing much.
That's right, the third chapter. This game's for real, no lies and no actors. Pick your character, don't wanna represent your life.
Will overflow, replicating previously spawned entities to a newly connected. Oh, that's fine. That's the fix we're looking for. All right, 26. They're required for events. They can be disabled if you don't use them. Are now registered with what does this mean? I don't know what they mean by this. Let's take a look at this. I feel like this has something to do with it.
May the best fighter win and win again. Battle to the top until his life ends. But if his life ends and he starts to decay, made one of his street soldiers
Events, minor, connect, minor refactor.
and more soldiers to bury. You know we just clicked in and made you realize this game is twice as hard. You see that with your own eyes. You're on the way to
I'm not sure that any of this is so relevant either, but very least I can.
I see you in the air when I make you backflip. Select to make your first pick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah, I don't see anything. Wow, that's wild. Okay, so
choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Select to make your first pick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Choose and
is
pick
there
the best one.
called receive message? This is
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
file. Dang, I would love it if I had an actual Rust stack trace. Ah, dang. Like a system stack trace is more. I mean, no, like I guess I really stack traces isn't doing, so I don't know what system caused this to happen. What made the message that going to invalid channel 2? I don't understand. It's a renet channel. This is on my transport side. No. This is about events. This is about events. Really? Why? I thought it was like add client event. Yeah, there we go. Oh, because it's... Okay. I want to look for this then. So this is in here. And notice these guys, they do stuff with channels. This looks like its own channel. Weird. Can this be... Does this immediately break? Yeah, it immediately breaks. Yeah. But this looks like if this is channel 2... different because the server already died by the time I... This, receive message with invalid channel 2. Why is there even a message being sent? Called receive message. Why? I guess because server... that must be it. It must be that... Got it. This must be the problem. Where's the replication? I need to clean up this repository. Take a look here. I guess what I'm wondering is... I just need to do this. Let's just try it. I don't know. We'll try it. Because it's not working the way that it currently looks. It's just probably just that I'm misunderstanding how I'm supposed to use these. But I would have thought that client events plugin... Oh, I guess so, huh? I know that I'm calling like .add server events as well, right? On client apps, right? So that the client knows that the server can send an event. But I guess this must... Yeah, it does the thing, it does some stuff, and it adds these. But it doesn't actually need the plugin for server events. That's probably what's happening, is that I've added a server event type. So now it's trying to use that event registry, like as though it were a server, but it isn't a server. That's server one. Alright, so that makes sense. That hopefully fixes everything. Assuming that fixes it. Oh my gosh. You big jerk. Client. Does add client events do that? Oh man, okay. I guess here's what I gotta do. I gotta just do this. Because my guess is that, well, I don't know, maybe this won't work. Because I know, like I saw in the change log here, it says up here can be disabled on these, like, whatever this update is. Wow, a lot of code got moved around and changed. I wonder which, I guess it's all gotta be this, right? No, this one's tiny. So what did all the work? Oh my gosh. Is this just update to 0.14? Oh, wow. Yeah. Got it. Cool. Alright, so in the meanwhile, I have to update to 0.14. Like I want to. Don't get me wrong. That's not something I can do in this stream. Yeah, so this works the way I would expect it to. But then this messaging thing is a problem. Okay. Well. Guess I need to upgrade to 0.14. I wonder how challenging. Let's see how much stuff brings. It's not just bevy, it's really all the other bevy stuff. I guess I'm not using bevy stuff, am I? Whoa, I'm not using any bevy stuff. It's just here. What is it? It's.io. Great, bevy. Not. Yeah, got it. What about EGUI extras?
Now, find a new rival.
28. What? Bevy.star. Replicon, it's on 27 now, if I remember right. And Renet 2 will have to update as well. Alright. We're ourselves in trouble here for sure. Probably gonna be a little painful. Minor version updates do make some significant changes. I actually haven't upgraded any of my races. Behind in terms of the ecosystem. Everybody in bevy, the ecosystem moves fast. It's been my priority. In fact, in many cases, it's been important to delay so that I don't have to deal with a lot of intermediary issues. Alright. Oh. Excellent. Wait. Ah. World Mutt. That's right, I did do a little bit of upgrading. Remember now? What? This actually has been pretty easy so far, at least. Whoa! Oh, that's right. Okay. Change nmut app.world to app.world mut. Few of them. Okay. Look at world.spawn. And then into world mut.spawn. Let's do world /n w star spawn star spawn. Capture that world, but entity, then world.entity. Alright, so world.entity, that. What else we got? Here we go, here's one. That's not what I meant. That's pretty funny. Wasn't quite right. Alright, good. Oh, we got the guillotine, baby. Alright, always broken. I should delete it. Deleted. Oh, golly gee willikers. Okay. And here. Bro. Nmut self.0.world. We're gonna have self.0.world mut. Oh really? Is it the only place? But get a sense for making sure that there's no borrow checker problems like this. This is still the same. But it is, so let's just go ahead and take care of them all. Old doc query. That will be what query. How? A lot of fixes. World.entity. What? Oh, really? Is that it? I bet this is the last of them. Is just a bunch of. Oh no, a couple more queries. Alright, I forgot I wasn't able to get all of them because of the line breaks. Yo, this is a mutt. One more up here, right? Alright, here. Mutt. More here. World with parentheses. What happened up here? Same thing. Same thing. I thought I typed the parentheses. I really did. I mean, right. Big time. Don't care about that. You seem good. Funny to have the like rapid drums as we're scrolling through all the code. Upgrade. 15. I also want this guy here. Oh, whoa. This guy here. This guy here. Let's see if this works. Alright, I gotta take a step away from the desk for a moment again. While this recompiles, I'm guessing there's gonna be a long time of recompiling as well, so yeah. BRB. All right, little snack. We're back. I didn't really intend for that to rhyme, but it was kind of dope, so stick with it. I don't like it. I gotta be honest, I don't like it. I don't like how this is happening. this doesn't work, I think we're just gonna pause for today. Quickly look at Eva's stuff. Okay. Something's wrong here with my setup in terms of how I'm registering the events. Actually, you know what? One client event here, one client event here, one server event here, one client event. When we spawn, what kind of message could we possibly receive? On channel 2. That it really doesn't like. Because I'm not sending a join game event. I'm not sending a turn. What is this message? Called receive message. This is the I don't really get like why there's a problem at all, honestly. There must be some mistake. Is it possible these plugins are getting added in different orders? Really thought they weren't. Maybe. Gameplay matchmaking. Gameplay matchmaking. Oh, no. That's probably not it. How odd. Oh. Well, this is what I get. I mean... yeah, maybe the upgrade won't do it. We'll see. Alright. So why it's showing me. All right, let's take a look. Your graphics designer, art synergy, love it. Texturing. Oh, nice. Bonk, like that. Thought that was dungeon meshy for a second. Good look. Oh, jury. Play Street Fighter. Cool stuff. Unfortunately, I don't think like I'm looking for anything like this right now. It's very possible in the future I could end up asking for some Twitch stuff, but I don't really have any sort of sense of my brand yet, and I do need to shake that out a little bit before I don't know, commit to something, I guess. But I'll reach out to you when I am. And anybody watching, feel free to take a look at the channel. It's the Logan Singer. I didn't see you pop up in chat, so I'm not sure if you jumped on, but but yeah, with that in mind, yeah, I mean, Discord, these are nice animations. But I think with that in mind, I mean, code-wise, we're so close, and I'm probably, frankly, gonna finish off stream. But something is wrong, and I mean, it's nice that the upgrade seemingly changed absolutely nothing. That's somewhat expectable, but also convenient. And it also would seem that this problem, that one bug fix would solve this problem, but now we have this events issue that I have no idea. Actually, you know what? Let me, real quick, before I go, I want to check whether, let me check that change log again. Project Harmonia, Bevy Replicon, because the fix was here, 25 points. You know what? We're at it. We're at it again. We're not stopping now. Rather than upgrade to 0.14, let's look for Bevy Replicon. Change it to 0.25. Ah! 5. Taking this out, taking this out, taking this out. And you know what? Actually, IDK. Get checkout main. Oops, get diff. I meant to add all that. What? Oh, I didn't actually. I tried to commit. Oh, no, I didn't commit. I changed it. I'm so. Brain is not on the get stuff. Vert to Lacan 0.25.3. Now we check out main, that's right. Now we check out B Bevy 0.14. Actually, no, this is I'm going crazy here. Reset. Check this out. This is going to Bevy 0.14. Bevy 0.14. Now we go back to main. Merge. Don't need IDK. Good. Good. I'm also gonna delete the flyo branch because I don't need that. Wait. Branch D. Stability. You know what? Let me not. Actually, get log. Bend. Ooh. All right. Excuse me, my eye. Last thing. We're now here. We have this. We're gonna test it, right? We're gonna test it. If this works, I'll be very happy. Because then separately, we can work on the 014 up, which comes with a replicon bug, and that's, or not a replicon bug, a bug in my code about how it interfaces with the replicon upgrade. That's it. Get rid of Chrome. Oh, come back. Guys. Additionally. These work. Really? I must have goofed something. I must have broken some code. I straight up, I must have written some broken code in the past few. What is the problem? Is it this? Is it the this? Like, that seems weird to me. It feels like this should be able to be added. Feels like this shouldn't be the problem. Maybe it was. I thought this had its own problem. If this was all the problem was, then that would be very silly. But I'm locked in. Like, I can't. I don't know. I feel like I have to stop because I need a break. I'm so close. Gosh darn it. Die, you foolish prophet. This is really the last thing the site is. You're ready to go. Right, so it's gonna be really exciting. That was the problem. Yes! 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 Ha ha! Ha ha! That's spectacular. Oh, look at all the knights. Look at them moving. The knights that are rooks. Alright, and I bet I can upgrade to 014 without any issue, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. We have this. Let's... revert previous commit and... or previous change. page, and things work again. Yay, push! Hooray! And now I'm gonna sign off, redeploy the website, and it's gonna be dope. And I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for joining. Is there anything I need to do? Let me... well, we got nobody with us. There's no reason to raid anybody. Do that next time. Alright. Thanks for joining. Catch you next time.